Making shoes is easier than you think. It's something anyone can do.
Following my online pattern making and shoemaking course will help you master the art of shoemaking. No prior experience needed.
Our course is designed to guide you through each stage of the process for 9 iconic shoe styles. First, you'll start with a detailed pattern making course for each of the 9 shoe styles, gaining the skills to create patterns for any shoe on your own. Next, using your patterns, you'll move on to shoemaking itself. Each of the 9 models is covered in detail, with expert tips and techniques for crafting high-quality shoes. To make sure you succeed, my team and I are here to support you every step of the way with care and dedication. When you enroll, you will receive a free pair of shoe lasts and a complete toolkit delivered right to your door, so you can get started immediately. And with our 7-day full refund policy, you have nothing to lose. But that's not all. Complete the course to unlock lifetime access to future courses with regularly added shoe designs to keep your shoemaking journey growing. So why wait? Scroll down, choose the perfect plan and get started today. I can't wait to see the amazing shoes you create.